Dear friends, welcome to my channel Aroma Atusha. Today I am going to prepare peri peri cauliflower fry. For this, we need to prepare a peri peri sauce. I have posted the recipe for this peri peri sauce already. I am going to give the link in the description box. So please check the link for this recipe in the description box below. For this, take 1 cauliflower, 2 tablespoons of peri peri sauce, few chopped onion, little amount of garam masala, half of lime and oil for shallow frying. Now pour water in a vessel, add a little amount of salt and turmeric powder, cut the cauliflower into pieces and put the florets into the water. Let it be in water for 10 minutes. This is to clean the cauliflower. After soaking it in water for 10 minutes, we are going to blanch the cauliflower. For this, heat water in a vessel and add the florets into the boiling water for 1 minute. After 1 minute, switch off the flame and take the florets out of the water. Pour cold water over the blanched cauliflower. This is the peri peri sauce. I have posted the recipe already. Please check the link for this recipe in the description box below. Now we are going to marinate the cauliflower with this sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of peri peri sauce to the cauliflower. Mix well such that each floret gets coated with the sauce. I am not going to add salt because the sauce already contains salt. Now we are going to give smoky flavor for this cauliflower. Now place a vessel of coconut shell charcoal in the center of the cauliflower and pour little amount of oil over the charcoal. Cover it immediately. Don't allow the smoke to escape. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, heat wok and pour oil for shallow frying. After 20 minutes, remove the charcoal. Now add the cauliflower pieces in the hot oil and shallow fry it. Add little more oil. Sprinkle little amount of garam masala and cover it with a lid. Open the lid. The cauliflower florets are half cooked. And mix it. Now add few chopped onion. and cover with the lid and cook for some more time. Open the lid and stir occasionally. After a few minutes, the cauliflower is well cooked. Take it out from the wok. Squeeze lime juice. Top it with chopped onion. Tasty peri peri cauliflower fry is ready. Serve hot with rice or rotis.